Titan Server supports customizing the administrator and user interfaces to reinforce the value of your brand. By default, the Titan logo and colors are used in the web interfaces. By following the steps in this video, you can custom brand the interfaces of your Titan server. To accomplish this custom branding, you can use a PowerShell script. Start by ensuring that you have Titan Server installed and have a server instance created in the Titan environment. Note the name of the server instance that you would like to customize. For example, Titan MFT1. Have the admin credentials to log into the Titan administrator. Have any logo image file that you would like to use. Make sure you have PowerShell installed on your system, and the operating system must have TLS 1.2 or higher enabled in order for PowerShell to download and use the Titan API. We recommend backing up your database prior to running the PowerShell script. This allows reversion in case of any unintended changes. The database by default is located in C, Program Data, South River Technologies, SRX Server, Database. And then download a copy of the PowerShell script as supplied by SRT. If you need any assistance, reach out to the Titan support team. Once you're ready, locate or create your logo file and save it to ctemp as the name mycustomlogo. Ensure the file name is mycustomlogo.png. Next, edit the PowerShell script and specify these items. The server name. Make sure this matches the server instance that you would like to customize. In this example, Titan MFT1. If you want to customize the administrator interface, enter local administration server. Next, change the admin username and admin password to match your login information for your Titan server. If you want to change the disclaimer, copyright, login name, or welcome message, check around line 44 of the script for the brand properties and make any changes as you'd like. If you want to change the color schemes, check around line 60 of the script for the theme colors. Here you can make changes for the colors. You can use words for standard colors like blue, orange, white, and you can also use hex values, which enables the precise colors of your brand to be utilized. When you're ready, save the script and then choose to run the script. Down below, you'll see a sample of a successful message once the script is completed. Now you just navigate to or refresh the server web interface, and you can see that the UI has been updated successfully with your change.